Bird dog is next. So 12 shoulder taps. Bird dog is next. So the other day we were doing dead bugs. This is essentially a dead bug, all right, but on all fours. Quadruped position, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, all right? We're not looking up and arching our back. We're kind of neutralizing our neck and our spine. You're gonna reach your opposite arm, opposite leg. So if it's your right arm out, thumb up, left leg out, exhale, bring them together, inhale, reach them long, bring them down, alternate for 12 total. Really take your time on these. Big inhale, lengthen back and spot, exhale, round your spine, and reach out and back. So you're gonna alternate, all right? 12 total of the dead bug, all right? Then we're gonna get our